Could you eat this
Yeah, I
as a
will.
full meal?
I will. It has everything in it.
Yeah. Hello everybody, my name is Sylvia Gemtai, founder of Dine with Gemtai, and today we're at the Green Spoon Kitchen once again, where we're gonna be making this amazing, and I say amazing, refreshing chickpea salad. For the ingredients, the star of the show, we need our chickpeas. I'm using canned today. You can use boiled ones if you'd like. Next we have 1 English cucumber that we've diced, 2 onions that we've also diced, and 3 red tomatoes that we have just chopped up as well. So for the dressing, we're going to use some olive oil, some lemon, and of course some garlic cloves, parsley, and some mint hiding at the back over here. This is completely optional. I'm going to add in some feta cheese just to add a bit of creaminess. Then we have some whole wheat tortilla wraps. That's it for the ingredients. Let's make this recipe. All right, so what I'm going to do actually is begin by toasting my tortilla wraps. So I'm just going to slice them. Of course, you can just use a knife, but I think I'm having fun with a pizza cutter. So these will be used to eat with the salad. It's just going to add a really nice textural crunch, kind of like croutons, but not croutons. We're making chips. Throw in a bit of oil, just about 2 tablespoons. Already hot, so actually let me just take it off the heat for a second. Start by putting pepper into the oil. Then I'll go ahead and add my tortilla wraps, which will soon become crisp for our salad. So our tortilla chips are ready. They're nice and crispy for the salad. So all we need to do now is build a salad, and these will be ready to munch on. Let's start with our cucumber and onion, tomato, followed by our chickpeas. Give that a mix. So this is all mixed up. Now, before we continue, I want to chop up some herbs. Let's get some fresh parsley and then some mint. First, we're going to chop up the parsley. So for the mint, I'm just going to pluck the leaves off, just like so. I'm not adding the mint stalk because this can be a bit bitter and tough. Just roll it up as tightly as you can and just chop. Add these together, and then we're going to add it to our salad. Mix it all up. Okay, next, let's do the usual salt and pepper. Give it a mix. Then we're going to add the garlic. We just want to smash a few cloves to add flavor to the salad. Smash both of them, add a tiny bit of salt, and literally scrape the garlic. So the salt, it's an abrasive material, so it helps to grind the garlic. There we go. So I'm going to add the garlic to a little bowl. All right, so let's grab our limes. Start with 2 halves. There's a lot of juice in this. I'm going to pour that in. Next, salt and pepper, the usual suspects. Then olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Just give that a gentle mix. And this is our dressing. Let's pour this onto our salad. Just give that a mix so that everything is well coated with the dressing. And we're going to taste as usual. Our salad is pretty much ready. Let's plate up. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and pour the salad on top. Now let's go in with our feta. I'm just going to break it, just crumble around. All right, that's looking beautiful. I think I'm gonna stop there with the feta. We're gonna add in our fresh herbs. We're gonna pick the little tiny ones at the top. This is just for garnish and a visual cue so people know what's in the salad. We have our beautiful chips that we made. I'm actually just gonna dot some around, maybe just like so. And today I have Christine with me from Green Spoon. Hi, Christine.
Hi.
Welcome to my kitchen.
Okay, thank you.
So today I've made for you a refreshing chickpea salad. So feel free to use your hand, the fork, whatever you feel like,
Okay.
and enjoy the dish. Yeah? It's
It's
refreshing.
really good. Refreshing, yeah, that's the word.
Refreshing. Awesome. Yay, I'm so glad you like it.
It is good. You can taste the lemon in it. The cucumbers, it just balances it out. Really well.
Wonderful. So could you eat this for like
A meal?
yeah, for a full meal? Could you eat this
yeah, I
as a
will.
full meal?
I will. It has everything in it.
Yeah. You have your protein, you have your the tomato. So it's a balanced meal.
Yeah,
I
it's
mean, you
very
have everything
balanced.
that you need for a healthy balanced meal.
Yeah, and it looks very filling on its own.
Guys, you heard that. She said it looks very filling on its own. So honestly, you could eat this as a whole entire meal as well. And please do remember, if you want to make this recipe, you can get all the ingredients from Green Spoon from their website or their app. For us, for now, we're going to continue enjoying this salad. It's going to be a work lunch for us. And that's it from me, from the Green Spoon Kitchen. Christine, thank you so much for coming and tasting this with me today.
It's a pleasure.
Please continue to enjoy.
Okay,
And that's
thank you.
it from us, guys. I'm going to say bye for now and catch you
Bye.
next time.